Hello and welcome to this short video on the Kupo couplers for gimbal frames with tubing diameters 25 to 30 millimeters. As motorized gimbal stabilization systems have become the industry standard for handheld steady footage, so has the need to add extra devices to your gimbal rigs, such as field monitors, recorders, lights, and microphones. The camera needs to be balanced so that the gimbal rig works properly, so we can't just add a bunch of weight to the camera itself willy-nilly. These couplers offer an elegant solution and make fast work of adding these components to the gimbal's frame. These couplers are machined from high-quality aluminum extrusion and can accommodate tubing sizes from 25 to 30 millimeters. This coupler features three types of threaded holes: 1/4-20, 3/16, and M4. Let's mount a small LED light panel to our gimbal frame using a 9-inch ROX arm. As you can see, you can easily and securely mount any accessory or device onto a gimbal frame in seconds. Add a couple of these couplers to your kit bag, and your gimbal rigging will be effortless. Now that's a wrap. Thanks for watching. When it comes to your image making dreams and your grip equipment, at Kupo we like to say, never let go.